Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am testing out two new products by Too Faced. I have the new mascara called Damn Girl. Probably not how you say it, but that's how I'm going to say it. And then I have Too Faced Born This Way multi-use complexion powder in the shade Snow. I'm hoping this is the right shade for me. It's what I normally get, I think. It's so hot today. I haven't got any makeup on except from brows and a little bit of eyeshadow, just a shimmer eyeshadow on my lids. So I want to test out how long the mascara makes my lashes, and the only way to that is having like a clear kind of base, no eyeliner or anything like that on, so you can't really tell. I'm just going to put my fan on for a minute and try and cool myself down because it is just... I wonder if I can film with the fan on. Can you guys still hear me? Is it making weird noises in the background? Probably. I've been dying to test these two out. I got mine both off of Cult Beauty. I'm not sure where else you can get these. I just got mine off of Cult Beauty and I am really excited to try these out. I'm going to start off with the powder foundation as I haven't got any base on yet, which reminds me I have no primer on, so I'll quickly do that in a minute. But let me just tell you a bit more about this product. So like I said, this is the Born This Way multi-use complexion powder. It has 10 grams of product in. Again, I got the shade Snow. So it's infused with coconut water, alpine rose and hyaluronic acid. All the Born This Way kind of like collection all have these sort of ingredients in. It just says get natural radiance, flawless smooth skin in seconds, and touch up on the go with this do it all long wear powder foundation. Infused with skin loving coconut water, hyaluronic acid and alpine rose, it's complexion perfections with full coverage, so undetectable they'll think you were born this way. So you can use this on its own or over a foundation. It could be the Born This Way foundation or any other foundation that you'd use. So let me just show you what the packaging looks like. And here's what the powder compact looks like. It's just like the rest of the collection. I love the designs of Too Faced's products. It's just stunning and simple, and it's just stunning. I love it. So let's just open it up. So you do get a mirror in the compact. I love it. And then this is the powder. I love it. It's got Born This Way kind of like engraved into the powder. Super cute. And then you've got another section that you flip up, and then in there is a sponge, I'm guessing to apply the powder foundation with. I don't really use these ones, but I will try it out today and see how it applies and if it's like really like cakey, because sometimes I do find that these sort of sponges do put a lot of product on and I kind of like cake it up and just put it into one spot. So I will try it and see what it's like. I will also use a brush and see how that applies and if it gives any coverage at all using a brush. But let's just see how it applies, and then yeah. So there's the colour of Snow. I've just put it on the back of my hand to see what it's like, and I do think it will work on my skin tone. So the powder foundation was £29. That is pretty expensive for a powder foundation, or like a powder say. So hopefully it's good and hopefully it gives full coverage. Right, I've just put the fan on for a second. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm just going to prime my face with the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I think the fan's making my voice very, very weird. But I'm just going to apply this on my face quickly and hopefully the fan will dry it out. I do have a few blemishes that I'm going to try this powder foundation on. I've got some on the side of my head here from my glasses, and then some here and here. So the real test is to see if it will actually cover them up. Obviously if you put this powder over a foundation, it's more likely to be full coverage. But let's just see how it is on its own. Hopefully it gives some sort of coverage. I'm not looking for major coverage. I don't like a powder that is too cakey or drying on my skin, because that's what I normally find with powders. I'm pretty sure they said this is a hydrating formula, so hopefully we don't get any cakiness or drying of the skin. So I'm going to use this sponge first, and I'm just going to dip it in. So I've got some on the sponge, and I'm just going to work it onto my cheek first. I can definitely see the powder on my skin. Let's try it over the blemish. So I'm just going to use the sponge on half my face and then use a brush on the other half. So I'm just going to apply this onto half my face and then I'll be right back. I'm going to forward it now and put the fan on as well because whew, it is hot. Okay, so I've just finished that side of my face and I really love this powder foundation. I think it's kind of caked up here a little bit by my hairline, but everywhere else it looks incredible. I thought it was going to patch up around this area, but it doesn't. I can definitely see there's no patchiness there. It doesn't cover my blemishes like I hoped it would. You can still see a lot of like the redness and that around my blemishes, but it does cover up a little bit. I would wear it like this over my blemishes out. It doesn't really bother me at all that you can still see a little bit amount of them. Obviously I would say it's medium coverage on its own, but I think over a foundation you're getting up into the full coverage with this as well if you just have like a medium coverage foundation underneath. So now let's try it with a brush and see how that is. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but we can just try and hope that it will cover some of the other side up as well. Okay, let's try this one out. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face and I applied bronzer to my face as well. I do actually prefer it with a brush because as I was layering the powder on the sponge, it was basically making it very cakey. My forehead looked absolutely horrible. The texture of my skin just looked really cakey and dry and horrible, so I did take it all off and apply it with a brush. I applied it with a more of a dense brush and one that has very like loosely bristles, as it packed more on and it looked more, I don't know, more of like a powder foundation. This one gave it more of like a really light coverage, whereas this one gave it more of a medium coverage. I hope I'm explaining that well. I'm not sure if I am. So it's better with a more of a dense brush than more of a loosely bristled brush, if that makes sense. So now on to the mascara, and this is a Damn Girl 24-hour mascara. This has 13.0 milliliters of product in. Damn Girl, those lashes are thick. It says Damn Girl's revolutionary creamy mousse formula was developed by a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy fill. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening and locking in 24 hours of smudge and flake resistant curl. Our exclusive dual fibre Infinity brush was engineered to hug, lift and curl each lash. Soft bristles load the formula for immediate release and long bristle combs through to dispense product evenly for shocking volume, outrageous curl and shamelessly thicker lashes. Damn Girl, you look good. Okay, let's have a look at the mascara. Wow, look at that packaging. That is just stunning. I've seen nothing like this before. I love it. Really unique and just stunning. Right, let's have a look at the Infinity brush. And there's the Infinity brush. You can see the shorter bristles and then the longer ones. I do like that wand. It looks amazing. I can't wait to apply this to my lashes. So I think it's about time that I do apply this. Let's see if it does everything that it claims it does. Because I would love a curl, for it to be lengthening and thicker and everything I think I want it to be. Okay, so that is what my lashes look like after one coat. It looks nice, but I can get this with any other sort of mascara that I have. So I am going to apply another coat and see what that does to the lashes. Okay, so this is mascara with 2 applications. It's nothing special. I can get better lashes with a Makeup Revolution mascara for like £8. This is £22 and I can get better lashes with an £8 mascara by Makeup Revolution. So And I didn't even like the BTS mascara. When I applied it, yes, my lashes look amazing, but during the day it would flake and there'd be like little bit of like mascara flakes on my cheek. I don't know if it's because I wore glasses or not, but it just used to flake like hell on me during the day, so that's why I never wore it again. I threw it away and I don't wear BTS mascara anymore. Right, so my overall thoughts, I do like the powder foundation. It is nice. I just recommend if you have drier skin and you find that the powders bunch or they make your skin look very drying and very textured, to use it with a brush but more of a dense brush, because I find with a sponge it doesn't blend it in too much and makes it very, very cakey. But I do like the powder and would wear it again if I don't want to wear foundation. I'll definitely put a light covering of this powder foundation. So with the mascara, I'm not that impressed. Obviously, it makes my lashes very, very pretty. And if you like that sort of thing, then obviously buy it. But it doesn't give it the lengthening, thickening and the curl that it said it would. Like I said, I can get better lashes with a Makeup Revolution mascara, or with my favourite mascara from Benefit, Bad Girl Bang mascara. That is amazing. You should definitely try that mascara out. Absolutely incredible. My favourite by far. But again, really disappointed with this mascara. Obviously try it out for yourself and make your own opinion on it. These are just my opinions on these products, so try them out yourself and see what you think of them. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.